Git is a version control system, and today we will use its power in the OverTheWire Bandit level 28 to get the next level password. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit28 password. Exit, clear the screen, and let's access a temporary directory. Change directory, $, brackets, make temp, -d, close the brackets, and enter. And we're inside a temporary directory. Now we have to clone the Git repository. Let's use git clone // bandit28-git at bandit.labs.overthewire.org :/home/bandit28-git/repo, and let's enter. Paste the password and enter again. So let's clear the screen. Let's use ls. Here we can find a repo folder that we will access, and let's use ls again. Here we have a readme file, so let's print it. It says username bandit29, the password is hidden, but we know that Git is a version control system, so let's try to go back one version to see if we can see the password in clear. Let's clear the screen. So the first step is to take a look at the logs using git log, and let's enter. And here we can see that the last commit is a fix info leak. That means that if we go back one version, probably we can see the leak of information. Currently we're at this commit and we have to switch to this one. So let's select the hash and copy it. Then hit Q to quit, and let's use git reset --hard and paste the hash. Enter, and let's use ls, and now let's use cat readme file. And here we can see the password. Just select it and copy. Let's access the documents directory. Let's enter, clear the screen, edit the bandits.md file, go to the end and add the new user, bandit29. Paste the password and save and quit. Remember that in the description you can find the full documentation of the OverTheWire Bandit series. If the video was interesting, consider a like, a comment or a follow. See ya!